Hey everyone, welcome back to the campground. And today we're taking a look at pet recovery suits. On my left here, we have the Comwish pet recovery suit, and on my right, we have the Kuoser pet recovery suit. They're both great pet recovery suits, and they allow your pet to recover without having to use a cone of shame. They're both easy to get size for because you're just measuring their neck, their chest, and their back, and you just want to make sure you find one that's nice and snug for them that doesn't rub their stitches too much. There's really only two main differences, and one is how it gets put on, but that's not really a big factor. The big factor is how they go to the potty in these. Let's first look at the Kuoser. So without tormenting Tucker too much, there's really no way for them to go to the potty with this on. So what you have to do is take the legs off this, roll it up, and then put it over their back. That allows them to walk around and use this and go to the potty. That's a good way to do it. Let me show you a great way though. See, here on the Comwish, there's two areas to cut out. For your female pup, it would be down here, and for your male pup, it's right up here. This allows them to use the potty without ever having to take the pet recovery suit off. And after surgery, they're probably not going to want to be messed with too much, so once you get this on, you just kind of want to leave it on for them. But overall, either of these are going to work really well for you. Now, I will say that I do believe the Kuoser has some better designs to it, but I really do like the Comwish pet recovery suit. We have both of these for Tucker, and he wears them no problem. Whether it's for surgery or just because he wants to wear a onesie that day, we'll put it on him, and he has no issue with either one. Like I said, this one requires a little bit more maintenance when they go to the potty, but it does have a little bit more style to it. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.